January 29, 2022, police officers from the Kenosha County Sheriff's Department in Wisconsin attempted to pull over a driver. The driver has a history of failing to show up to court after paying a bail bond, an act that is also known as bail jumping. Immediately upon notice of the sirens and lights, the driver decides to speed off, creating a pursuit that will be short-lived.
Traffic's light, going by 85. Roads are clear. 352 for the 15 interstate. I got the radio. 170 100 block. Still eastbound, 100 miles an hour. No traffic. We're clear. 302 353. Watch out for that roundabout up there. Different. 1050, 1050. MB&C. 10.
Is there one going northbound?
What do you got in there, bro?
I don't see anybody. Check that door again. I thought I heard movement. Anybody inside? Is anybody inside? Hello? Am I hearing someone there?
Dude, I don't know. There's fucking kids.
Is there anybody in there? 353, I got somebody in the vehicle. I can't tell if it's in the trunk. I need rescue here now.
I think it might be the dog. It might be the
Stand by, it might be the dog. Stand by. Is anybody in there? I can't tell if the dog was moaning or what.
Is that you pulling the
Was your
jacket?
dog just moaning?
Hey, is that you pulling a jacket?
jacket.
All right.
That's me pulling the. I don't see anybody.
I can't tell if the dog was moaning or what.
Is that you pulling the jacket? Hey, is that you pulling a jacket? All right. I don't see anybody either. Reeks of weed.
2245.
All right, you want the dog?
Yeah. Make sure it's clear on this side first.
Grab the dog.
Looking at the significant amount of damage to the driver's compartment of the flipped vehicle, it is a miracle that the driver is breathing at all. However, to everyone's surprise, in the short amount of time it took for the car to flip over and for the police officer to arrive at the scene, the suspect was able to escape the vehicle and run away into a nearby field. In this situation, the K9 unit will be put to use.
364, sure. Okay. All in the cell.
Copy. So first for Bronco.
No, I don't think there's anybody in there. He ran this way. So give me another guy with me. Good. Check. Hey, somebody else coming with me or what? Check. Yeah.
39 302.
Good.
Alright, are you coordinating assist for this driver?
Yeah, I got two others with me right now. We're tracking through the snow going north.
364, sure, follow through.
Good.
39 353.
Alright, I think it was just a dog one. I don't think your name is here.
Okay. I'm going to put you in charge of coordinating this team. What are you using cars to shut down traffic?
I need cars blocking. Stop right here. Where's the track? Right here. Good. Everything else should be fine.
Copy. 373 southwestbound traffic at 136 Ave. 359 divert traffic down MD. 359. 373 copy. 329 Sheriff, I'm here with 353.
Yes, track still?
Yep. Stand, stay.
358, I'm 1060.
Stay.
Stand, stay. 302, get me cars going to the north on MB. We're about
2 houses up.
3 houses north ready. Give me a bunch of cars going to the north on MB.
294, I'm coming south on MB right now from 50.
Hey, right here.
350, I'm
Go
going north
left.
for a second. You got the round.
Hold on.
Yeah, I got you. Let me go this way.
358, I'm going north.
Alright, so the last track is right there. See if there's any tracks going to the right without stepping on stuff.
344, Walworth tonight we're going. Not 67.
We got a fence.
Huh?
There's a fence.
Yeah, I see that.
We got no tracks over here.
Check 353.
353.
Rescue the asset is okay for them to come in.
Yeah.
Halfway, yeah, there's no meat here, so take it down.
Yeah. Show me the hands! Show your hands! Let him dog in there! Where's your hand? Where's he at, bro? Right in the tree. Hey, don't go on that side. Crossfire.
Alright, I'm pushing right.
Right in the tree.
You got it?
302, I got him here. We're just getting him in here. Hold the channel. How the hell come out this way here? Go to this guy to your right, right here. Walk to the guy over here. I'm sending the dog in. You have one chance, or I'm sending the dog in. Do it now. Walk to this guy right here. Do it now, or I'm sending him in. You got in there, you can get out. Watch that guy. Watch that guy. Watch that guy. Good boy.
Right here.
That's a good boy.
Sure. Right here. Turn around.
Keep going down. All the way down. You have anything else on you?
Alright, you got lethal?
That's a good
I got
boy.
lethal, bro. You want to call him?
That's a good boy. Yeah. Dude, I was so close to just letting him roll that bush like he wanted to. You are so lucky, dude. You were about 2 feet away from getting bit.
Here, let me get
Hold
my
this
gun.
side.
302, I'm in custody.
You need?
Copy.
Stand up.
Check out next question. I'll open. It's 2250.
Yeah.
353, 302. Is there any injuries on him?
Hey,
You hurt at all? Yeah.
were you? Anybody else
Where
in
you
the
hurt
car?
Hey.
Your back?
Who else is with you in the car?
302. He says his back hurts, but he's up in a pine tree, so no visual injury.
You got any guns or anything on you, man? Any weapons?
Car, or are you walking him back here?
No, we're walking back.
This suspect was charged with 1 count of fleeing an officer, 1 count of second-degree recklessly endangering safety, 1 count of operating while intoxicated for the second time, 1 count of possession of THC, 1 count of operating with a revoked license, 1 count of obstructing an officer, and 5 counts of bail jumping, 2 at a misdemeanor level and 3 at a felony level. Due to a plea deal, the suspect was found guilty of fleeing an officer, operating while intoxicating in the second, and obstructing an officer. All other charges were dropped. For this, he was sentenced to 234 days in jail and 3 years of probation. The case, however, took 234 days to go through the court system, and so his jail time was deemed as served at the time of the judgment. For his probation, he is prohibited from possessing or consuming alcohol and will have his Department of Transportation license revoked for 14 months. He will also require an ignition interlock device in his vehicle for 14 months. However, after witnessing the scene of the crash, this driver is lucky to be alive at all.
Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Was that the dog moaning for real?
I think so.
All right.
No, I know.
Right?
Yeah, I think so. I'm just worried because I seen a kid's jacket. Like,
Go ahead. I think it was just a dog moaning. I don't think there's anybody in the vehicle.